I am Swami Vishwanand, मदर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। विश्व की माँ की जब से जवाबदारी दिया है, God has appointed me as a mother of the world and given me a special duty to look after and take this world a safe and progressive world, so that God, creator of the world, always invite us, special invitation sent by God, and we reach at the house of the God, some selected souls invite there, and God teaches us excellent lessons, and after then God instructs us to give this beautiful lesson, to give this beautiful message to all mankind on the earth. Today, at the time of Amrut Vela, Brahma Murt, God has teaches us a great lessons. This lessons is as under. We, people of the world, and all living beings are member of one global family. So, we must love, respect, acceptance, regards each other. That is plan and wishes of God. And religion of God is religion of love. Going on, re-established by God Himself at present time. Our Creator and Father is only one. For all lovely creations in this beautiful world, we all are interconnected and interdependent with each other. Our religion and God's religion is equal, same, that is love, religion of love. So we all must follow our religion of love, hence we must love each other. We all always taking care of ourselves. Same way, God wishes we must take care for each other. Like heart supply blood to each part of our human bodies and all bodies of the creations. Source of living for all living beings is nature. That nature has created by God and gifted to all living beings free of cost. We all must supply our all types of kind services to all living beings free of cost. So, God and all living beings will be happy and they will make us very happy too. Now, God wants to establish His own religion of love. In this religion, people from all other religions enter and follow this new religion of love. Only these people will love God, love to people, and love to all living beings that God wants. God has appointed and selected and special trained some special souls, and they all are working day and night constantly with God as a friends for transformation from all other religions into God's love religion. That noble task is going on now at present time with God and his special friends. So, God and his friends are traveling around the world in all countries and cleaning the dirty hearts and feel God's name and God's light and God's powers in all such hearts of mankind. So now we welcome all people of the world. Get entry in this God's religion of love and get the great chance to see God, to meet with God, to talk with God, and lovely communication with God, and get all knowledge and all powers from God, and become equal to God, so that at last we all can see God, to love God, and God also eager, and God also wants to see us and to love us all very much. Just I am performing my duty as a mother of the world. This all message I learned and received from house of the God, from creator of the world. These words, this lesson is not my own mind and not comes from my own heart, but these words and message I received and learned from house of the God, from creator of the world. I am just performing my duty as a mother of the world. I am serving you all mankind in this planet. I also request to all people of the world, I believe that all people have some good experience of their lives. So please send your noble experiences on my platform, two platform. One platform is WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is as per India code +91 9898 375 375, and other my platform is Facebook ID Swami Vishwa Anand. You can send your experiences, then I will spread your experiences around the world, and all people can be benefited from your noble experiences. Now we will pray to God. O Creator of the world, you are our lovely Father for all creations in this beautiful world. Please give your blessings of shower and knowledgeful shower to all people of the world. God bless. We will meet on next meeting.